No distance looking blue means everything looks black at a distance or dark. No road, no street, no other side the way. You cannot see the road, the street, and even the other way of your path. No end to any row, no indications where the crescents go, no top to any steeple, no recognitions of familiar people. Row means a narrow street. Indications mean signs or signals. Crescents mean anything which is thick from the middle and thin from the edges. Here in this picture you can see the clear example of the moon, which is thick from the middle and thin from the edges. Steeple means top of the minarets. Here you can see the minarets and the top of these minarets. So the poet is saying that you cannot see end of a narrow street, you cannot see any signs or signals that where the crescents go, and you cannot see the steeple properly, the top of the minarets. No recognition of familiar people. If the people are standing at a distance, you cannot recognize them even if you are familiar with them. Their faces will not be clear. No courtesies for showing am, no knowing am, no travelling at all, no locomotion, no inkling of the way, no notion. And if you get to know those people, you recognize them, you still are not in a mood to show them the courtesies. You even would not like to go near them and talk to them. People avoid traveling and there is no locomotion. Locomotion means movement. No inkling. People do not have any vague idea or no conception about the things. No go by land or ocean. No mail, no post. No news from any foreign coast. No park, no ring, no afternoon gentility. No company, no nobility. It means that people do not travel by land or ocean, and they do not send any letter or email. They do not get any news from the far off places, especially from the coasts, because in this season, in this month, there are less activities on the coasts. People do not go to parks. They have talked about ring here, especially ring, as I had explained you, is a circular course in Hyde Park in London. It is used for riding and driving. People do not give each other company, they do not meet each other, and they do not show any nobility.